Jamaican drink, which is Guinness punch. It's a traditional drink. Most people have it on a Sunday with their meal, or sometime during the week when they're eating some lovely rice and peas or some jerk chicken. It's a lovely drink, and I'm gonna do it the traditional Jamaican way. If you're in Jamaica, you're making Guinness punch. Well, hopefully you guys will like the recipe. Please leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Sign up for free on my website, and please give me a like. Guinness right here. First of all, do not give kids this to drink. If you're at home, adults, if you make it, it's just for yourself. First of all, let's crack a piece of the cinnamon stick and put it straight inside of right here. Just get all of the flavor out of the cinnamon stick. Put it straight inside of it like this. Lovely. Then next we're gonna simply do, let's get the Guinness right here. Lovely Guinness. I'm gonna do it like the Jamaican traditional way. This is 500 ml. Pour it straight inside of this container. You need a big container to make it in, as you can see. And pour it straight inside of it just like this. Second thing, then you need Nutriment. Right here is Nutriment. It's 400 gram right here, and I'm gonna put one, and I'm gonna put another one inside of it just like this. Lovely and nice. I'm gonna put this one also inside of it. Beautiful. Second thing, I'm gonna just put a pinch of the grated cinnamon inside of it. Not too much, because we already have the stick inside of it to bring up the flavor. This is how my grandmother uses little grater and grater. Get that beautiful, not the egg, and this is not the grated one, this is the original one. Beautiful. You can smell that beautiful scent which is coming from not the egg. Nice one. I use half of it, and now I'm gonna sweeten it with a tin of sweet condensed milk. You can get that at local shop. And I'm gonna scrape out everything out of it, because 1 tin of sweet condensed milk is sufficient for it. Beautiful. Look at that, man. Really nice. I scrape out everything. And remember, if you're at home and you're making this, please do not give kids. Nice one. Let's taste it and see the way this beautiful Guinness punch tastes. Whoa. This is perfect. This is perfect. You don't need nothing else. Then now I'm gonna just simply transfer it into this one. I'm gonna put it on the guest table. Look at this beautiful drink. Really nice. Get my glass. Beautiful. Look at this. Really nice. This is the Jamaican Guinness punch right here. And hopefully you guys will love this drink. It's a really nice drink. And I'm telling you something, guys. If you're at home and you're making Guinness punch, trust me, you can't go wrong. This is a Jamaican Guinness punch special. You got the cinnamon stick in it, and I put a little bit of cinnamon, half of a nutmeg. This is the way how it look. Look at taste this one. Beautiful. Beautiful, and I can taste that lovely Guinness inside of it. But as you can see, Jamaican Guinness punch, rich and nice, beautiful. Look at that, really nice. So guys, enjoy the Guinness punch. leave your comments, and thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. And as you can see, I make it from scratch, and it's very easy. All you need is just a pinch of a cinnamon inside of it, half of a nut egg, and 1 can of sweet condensed milk, 2 Nutriment, and 1 Guinness inside of it, and make yourself a nice lovely Sunday drink. Especially it's coming up to Christmas, you can make it and put it in the fridge, invite 2 of your friends and the guests can have this Sunday dinner also. So enjoy. Please leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye.